Could the future of human evolution involve us becoming part machine? It's a thought-provoking question, isn't it? It's not a concept that is entirely new. In fact, it's been the stuff of science fiction for decades. But what if it's not as far-fetched as we once thought? We're already seeing signs of this transformation in our daily lives. Consider the rise of wearable technology, from fitness trackers to smartwatches. These devices are essentially extensions of ourselves, providing us with information and capabilities that go beyond our natural abilities. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. The concept of human-machine integration is becoming an increasingly relevant topic for discussion. This idea suggests that we could one day merge with machines to enhance our abilities and potentially extend our lifespans. Imagine a world where we could download our consciousness into a computer, essentially achieving a form of immortality. Or a world where we could replace failing organs with mechanical ones, not just to extend life, but to enhance it. Longevity has always been a human obsession. From the search for the fountain of youth to modern medical advancements, we've always been driven by the desire to live longer, healthier lives. And now technology might just hold the key to achieving this age-old dream. By combining the biological with the technological, we could potentially overcome the limitations of our own bodies. But it's not just about living longer. It's about improving the quality of life as well. Consider the potential applications in the field of healthcare. Prosthetic limbs are already an example of how technology can restore mobility and independence. But what if we could go a step further? What if we could create prosthetics that could surpass the capabilities of natural limbs? Merging human consciousness with artificial intelligence is another fascinating aspect of this topic. Imagine if we could enhance our cognitive abilities, our memory, our creativity by integrating with AI. The possibilities are truly mind-boggling. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology, we must ask ourselves, are we on the brink of a new stage in human evolution? So what does science have to say about this? Well, buckle up for a fascinating journey into the world of bioelectronics and artificial intelligence. The science of human-machine integration is a rapidly evolving field, and it's showing some promising signs. Let's start with neuroscience, the study of our intricate nervous system. Recent advancements in this field have paved the way for brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. These are direct communication pathways between the brain and an external device, almost like a sci-fi movie come to life. These interfaces have the potential to help those with neurodegenerative disorders regain lost abilities, such as speech or movement. Now, imagine using this technology not just for restoration, but for enhancement. Could we possibly download skills like in The Matrix or enhance our memory storage? It's not entirely far-fetched. In fact, a study from the University of Southern California is already exploring how implantable devices can improve memory. Moving on, let's talk about artificial intelligence and machine learning. These aren't just buzzwords, they're game changers. AI systems can process and analyze vast amounts of data far more quickly than the human brain. They can recognize patterns, make predictions, and learn from experience, enhancing our capabilities and decision-making processes. Moreover, the potential of AI goes beyond raw computation power. It can also help in creating prosthetics that can learn and adapt to their users' needs, making them more efficient and intuitive. And it doesn't stop there. We're even seeing developments in nanotechnology, where microscopic machines could one day roam our bodies, repairing cells and fighting off diseases. But let's not get carried away. While these advancements are exciting, they're still in their infancy. There's a long road ahead filled with trials, errors, and plenty of ethical debates. Indeed, the science seems to suggest that human-machine integration is not just a possibility, but a probability. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we might just find ourselves stepping into a future where being part machine isn't just for the movies anymore. However, it's not just about the can we, but also the should we. The ethical implications of human-machine integration are vast and complex. The potential benefits are certainly tantalizing. Imagine a world where diseases are eradicated, lifespans are extended, and human faculties are augmented. Yet we must also consider the potential risks and concerns. Loss of privacy is a significant worry. With an integration of machines into our bodies, could every thought, memory, and experience become accessible data? And who gets to control or access this data? Furthermore, there's the potential misuse of technology. In the wrong hands, these advancements could be used not for the betterment of humanity but for control, manipulation, or even warfare. We must also consider the social implications. Could this technology create an even wider gap between the haves and the have-nots? As we inch closer to this potential future, it is crucial that we consider these ethical implications. But despite these concerns, the future seems to be here already. Today, we are witnessing a remarkable fusion of biology and technology that's transforming our definition of what it means to be human. Let's consider bionic limbs, for instance. These marvels of engineering are granting mobility to individuals who've lost their limbs, helping them reclaim their lives with newfound independence. They are not just about replacing lost functionality, but enhancing it. With advances in neural interfaces, some bionic limbs can now even respond to the user's thoughts, much like a natural limb would. Then there's the miracle of cochlear implants, devices that have brought sound to the soundless. These implants bypass damaged parts of the ear, directly stimulating the auditory nerve and allowing people with severe hearing impairments to hear again. It's a powerful testament to our ability to harness technology to overcome biological limitations. These examples are not science fiction, they are the realities of today, the first steps towards a future where technology is a seamless part of our biology. And this is just the beginning. In labs across the world, scientists are working on breakthroughs that could redefine our lives in ways we can hardly imagine. Imagine a world where nanobots patrol our bodies, repairing cells and fighting disease at a microscopic level. Or a future where our brains interface directly with computers, augmenting our cognitive abilities and allowing us to communicate in entirely new ways. This is not mere speculation. This is the trajectory that science is on right now. In the coming years, we may see a blurring of the line between man and machine, between biology and technology. But as we marvel at the possibilities, we must also remain grounded. These advancements come with their own set of challenges, ethical, social, and philosophical. As we stride into this brave new world, we must navigate these issues with care and thoughtfulness. So as we stand on the precipice of this new era of human evolution, we must embrace the possibilities while remaining mindful of the challenges. In conclusion, human-machine integration presents both an exciting and challenging frontier. We have explored the scientific basis, potential benefits, ethical concerns, and current examples. While the future of human evolution may seem like science fiction, it's clear that it's closer to science fact. The question now is, are we ready for it?